Hello, I'm Chris Menard. The other day I did a video on why I love slicers. Today's video is going to cover the 7 components of a slicer. This is something you should know if you're going to use slicers to filter your data. So I've already got a table created and I've already got 2 slicers on my screen. The 7 components of a slicer are, number 1 is the slicer name. Notice it says state because I've got a field called state. I've got city because I have a field called city. If I come and click inside my table and come under table design, insert slicer, there's your slicer names, your header row. Component number 2 is under the state slicer. I'm going to select Georgia. So that is component number 2. It is letting you know what you've selected because it is in blue. When I selected Georgia, the 3 cities were selected. The third component are the cities that are not in blue or the cities that are not selected. The fourth component of a slicer is if you want to do a clear all and pull everything back, it is right here. There is clear all. Fifth component of a slicer is your slicer has a border around it. So here's city, so I can move city around, but I can also pull this border out right there. Here's a tip for you, and it has to do with the 6th component of a slicer. If a slicer has a scroll bar on it, that means you've got more information down below. Here's a cool tip about point number 6 of the scroll bar. It also has to do with the border that I just mentioned. If I go to city, click on the slicer tab at the top, I may want to make this one, because I've got a lot of cities, I may want to go 2 columns, pull that border out, and resize the slicer. So I'm combining those 2 tips together. And finally, the last point is if I just pick California. If I hold down the control key, that allows me to select other states. I've got 3 states selected. If you don't want to use that feature, I'm going to clear it first. The last component, number 7, is multiple select. Click it once. Now when you click California, it is unselected. And you can go the other way. So now I don't have to hold down control to select or unselect. That is this feature right here, multiple select. Those are the 7 components of a slicer, in case you didn't know that. Sounds like a great quiz. No quiz today. Feel free to subscribe. Please let me know if you have any comments about this video. Have a great day. Thank you so much.